and I'm going to be showing you guys in this video exactly how to download it, guys. This actually works. Super cool. Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get Hill Climb Racing 2 hack for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, guys, we're broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it on right here just to show you guys that this actually works, just so you guys can see. The gems should start increasing on the Hill Climb Racing 2. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version for your device. So let's see if it goes up, and hopefully we do. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. Super awesome. So if you guys are broke, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to download the Hill Climb Racing 2 mod. So the first step is going to be going onto the website tweakmod.com. So in this site, guys, I want you to type Hill Climb Racing 2, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So yeah, it's loading right now. So we'll just give it a second. Shouldn't take that long. So here we go, guys. We are now being brought to the last step, which is the verification. And literally, we just need to download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. World Winner says down and run for 30 seconds. I mean, there's tons of these. So just make sure, guys, that you do 2 of the apps and you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. There is the video, of course, but yeah, that's how I get Hill Climb Racing 2 mod for iOS and Android. Super unique, and no one can ban you from this, so yeah.